బాగానే చెప్తారు.
ఇందా నిజంగా ఫ్రాంక్ ఒపీనియన్, ఫ్రాంక్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్.
నేను నేను కాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను నేను. నరసింహ,
ఓకే
ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను మాట్లాడతాను మీతో.
ఓకే ఫైన్. నౌ let us start configuration of this merge stage. Yeah, so fine. So we can have again this merge will take multiple input links, and we can have multiple output links. Yeah. One link
You can see my screen, right?
yeah. So one link is going to be the master link, and other link is going to be the update link. Yeah. So I repeat, one link will act as a master link, other link will act as update. Yeah. Can you see here? One is a master, other is what? Update. So now let us start looking at like how to configure this one source and multiple update links. Yeah. So can you see here? So this is going to be the source link. Yeah, right? So this is going to be the source link, and this is the update link. Yeah. For every update we can have corresponding reject link. Yeah. Now let us try to configure the source. I can start adding C1 C2 colon Gopal, and also in other link also. Yeah.
I did already.
Oh, need no? Good. Then add one more reference link like one more row generator here, and connect that to merge stage. Yeah. Yeah, done, huh? Gopal? Yeah. Now, let me show like how to configure this particular merge stage. Yeah. Remember, the prerequisite for merge is what? Data should be sorted. So which means by default, what merge stage does is, it is going to sort the data followed by performing the merge. That's what happens with a merge stage. Yeah? So can you see here there is a ascending or descending, which is sort order, right? Why do we need? Because before we merge, need to first sort. So this particular merge will be a bit faster. Not only that, if we already have the data which is sorted, so then this will be much faster. Which one now? Merging the data. So now let us try to get into how to configure. Yeah. So now can you see sort order? Let's say let it be ascending, and then the next is what we need to start getting into output tab, where we can transfer data to a target. So there is only one target. So we have multiple what update links. Yeah, I repeat, there are two update links, which is one is this, other is this. This is going to be the source link. So how do you identify these update links? You can see over here 1, 2, 3. Can you see here? One is a source, other is one update, some other is what? Some other update link. Yes, sir. So that's it. Similarly, we can also look at this. There's only one target. That's why we can see only one target link, right? Now, let us add, there are two update links, right? So, we need to add corresponding reject links. One for each update link, one for this and other for this. So, yeah, instead of adding these peak stages, let's add sequential files so that we can open the data in the corresponding sequential files. So let's go to file category, and where the sequential file? This one, right? Yeah, for first update link, this is the corresponding reject link, and for the second update link, corresponding reject link, right? So that's it. Yeah. Can you see here dotted line with arrow? Is it true or not? Yes, sir. No. That's it. Now we need to look at the data here, here, here. So you did not change any algorithm, right, Gopal? So which means this is a default data,
No,
right?
I didn't change any algorithm.
Okay, fine. So which means what data will not be rejected. So because all the records from this source to first update will get matched, source to second update will get matched. So all the records would get transferred from source to a target, and rejected links, you will not have any data because all the records would get matched. Yeah?
Narasimha, I have a question here. Like we have a master link and update links, right? Master is a source, main source.
Yes, that you can see in link ordering. Yeah,
Uh,
one is a
right,
master, multiple. Yeah, good. Yeah,
right. The remaining are update links, right?
yes, you can see. Yeah, you are right. One master, two updates here, Gopal.
Right. Actually, referring to master, what we are doing here with the
Checking.
update.
Yeah, what we are trying to do here is source data will be compared against with the updated link data against the C1 column. If there is a match, data will be here. If there is no match,
Okay.
data will be one of the reject link. Yeah.
Okay. So we referring master data with the update data. So if the master record matches with the updated record, then only it goes to target, right?
Yes. If not, it will go to reject link. Yes, you are right. Yeah. Now I can specify file names, Gopal, for these two file stages. One, let us say reject 1, other is let's say reject 2. Yeah, it's done, Gopal. I can put merge with the two update links. Yeah, good, Gopal, you're fixing. Yeah, so now you can just run and see. So there are two update links and we'll have corresponding rejected links. What are those? Sequential file stages here. Yeah, you can see the statistics here, right? Now the job mode is enabled, right? So all the 10 records have been transferred to stream output link, but none of the records have been transferred to first reject and second reject because all the records have been matched. Yeah. So that's it. Now we can go and change the algorithm for first reference link or first update link we call in merge stage so that you can see like how many records where there is a match. Fine. Now, so we have a key column which is C1, right? Where let us say the starting value which is going to be the 9. Let's put 9 here, huh? Or any value here. I don't know what is this value. Is it 9 or something else? 0.
It's a 0.
9, right? You can put 9 here. No problem. Yeah, perfect. Now say close. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. Yeah, fine. Now other link, let us say, will not change because there not no data will be rejected for that link. Yeah. Now you can save, compile and run, so that we can see the effect of this particular algorithm. Yeah. Especially wherever we have changed this particular algorithm, right? Corresponding reject link. Let's say this. What is corresponding reject link? This or this. That we are going to get it from link ordering tab within this March stage. Can you see here? In the link ordering tab, for every update link, you will have corresponding reject link. So this is update link, right? Corresponding reject link is what? This one. So this is where we need to see. If you have changed this, then you will have corresponding reject link as this. That's it. Yeah. Now let us go and compile run. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see the effect of that? No. So here, how many records we have here in reject link and how many we have here? Both are zero, or if there can you see any difference?
Nine rows. 9 rows.
Why 9 rows? Can you guess?
Because all of them are rejected.
All means other than 9. So you'll have
Right.
values like 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on, right? So out of them, but what is the source data contains? 0 to 9. So only
Right.
9 will get matched, rest of them will not get matched. So we can go and see the data in this particular reject file, like whatever file that we specified here, we can go and look at that. Yeah, fine. So you can just go and look at that. Gopal, reject file. No. 1 sec. Yeah. Go to Windows Explorer and go to your location where you specified and open that file. Yeah. This is a preview, but target file you can see. Yeah. This is a one file. There is a one more reject file. You need to open that. This no date. There should be another reject file. 0 to 8, right? This is correct only. Because 0 to 8 they will get rejected. 9 there is a match, that's why we can't see that in the target, right? In this file. So other reject file will be empty because all the records would get matched, right? So that's it.
So
So likewise, yeah.
both rejects are the same data.
Really? How come? Go and check it out.
This is reject 2.
One reject, you can see that. Go and look at that. 0 rows, right?
This is reject 1 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mm-hmm.
The reject 2 also same.
That should not be the case because RCP is enabled, I guess. Yeah, we need to take out RCP. So if you go and look at statistics, right, it is 0, right? Which means for 0 record should be transferred. Yeah? Yes or no? We have already seen statistics, right? If you go to designer, we can see like how many rows that are transferred. Yeah? Oh, 9 are transferred to both, huh?
Right.
Oh, this link and this link, both. Oh, that's why we are getting that. So which means we changed. Okay. In target, what do you see here? You can see how much is the count here in the target? The normal output, 10, huh?
Uh, 10 rows.
So which means 10 means what? Because one reference link where we did not change, that's why we have 10 rows. That is perfect. But reject link, one reject should have what? 9, other reject should have 0, or else this merge stage is not required at all. Okay, here we did not add any algorithm, so all the records should get matched, so it will be transferred to a target. This is fine. This is perfect. Yeah, now this is where we changed. Yeah. This is initial value 9, right? So that's it. So this is a 1, a reference link or a lookup link. Sorry, update link we call here. Yeah. So this is 9. So where do you see this link ordering? Only that particular reject should have 9 rows. Yeah, we can see here link ordering where you will have first update corresponding reject, second update second update corresponding reject. So here if you go and map, you know, first one is mapped, right? Second one, all the records are transferring. Okay, one second. Yeah, we have all. Yeah. So here also there is a mapping. One second. Yeah. What are the columns here? This
This
is
is
fine.
it's like a gray out.
This is a reject link. Yeah, this is correct. So this is fine. So let's disable this. Oh, need to disable that RCP. Oh, where are we now? It's a peak, right? No. We need to open merge stage. Disable that RCP, Gopal. Yeah, let me open. I'm doing it. Not here, not here, not here. No, there itself. Let's go to designer. Gopal, not here. One second. Let's go to designer. Client. Merge stage. Yeah, disable this. Yeah, that's it. Now disable that. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So this is 0, huh? Or 9?
Same 9 rows, 9 rows.
Oh, this surprise. So runtime column probably is not reflected at all. So one sec. How come this? Oh, here it is enabled, huh?
Yeah, these are gray out.
No, one sec, not this. Source data. This is sequential file, right? I was opening this guy, this one, right? I clicked something. Okay, fine. Let's open this. So here,
Here also runtime column propagation.
yeah, we need to disable. And now let us change the algorithm here also so that we can see the effect of both. Yeah, so we'll set only initial value, 5 or whatever, some value. I think it's 5, right? Yeah. The system become very slow, Gopal.
So whenever screen sharing, right,
Mm-hmm.
then it becomes slow. Otherwise it is okay. No issues.
Yeah. Do you still say same output?
4 rows one and a 9 rows second.
Yeah, now you can see the difference, right? Yeah, actually that RCP was creating problem. Fine. Now you can go to what you call Windows Explorer and look at the data in the target. Why 4 rows? Why 9 rows? Can you guess? Because we gave initial value as what? 5, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever, right? So out of them, first 4, 0 to 3 or 4, right? Those rows will not have match, so that will be rejected. That's 1. Other is what? Same. Wherever there is no match, those records will be rejected. So this is a 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, where there is no match. So this is one rejector, first reject file, right? Similarly, you can look at what 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the values where they have not matched. Yes or no? Similarly, we can go to the next one where we can see 0 to 8, because second reference link, what is the data we have? Data is starts from 9, right? Yes or no? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. So these records where there is no match. So that's it. This is what happens with which means what, for every update link you will have corresponding reject link. So the rejected data of what we got from the first update link, which is different from this one, right? So that's what happens, because only 9 where there is a match, and rest of the records where there is no match. That's it. This is what happens with reject concept. Clear? So likewise, which means wherever there is a need to capture, let's say, state specific data, rejected records, or city specific rejected records, then we go with what? This merge stage. But in lookup we can still do that. Only thing is we capture all the rejected records in one reject link only. So we don't have what multiple rejected links. There's only one reject link. Clear, right, Anish and Gopal? Yeah. Yeah, fine. Now
Yes.
we can go to target director. There will be many warnings. So wherever there is no match, you can see the corresponding warnings. Yeah, can you see there are many warnings here wherever there is no match. If you want to suppress those warnings, then where do you suppress them? You can suppress them where? In merge stage. In case if you don't want to see these warning messages. So open this designer and look at what this unmatched option. There will be unmatched option for masters, unmatched option for rejects. Fine. Open the merge stage. Yeah, can you see here? So one on updates, one on rejects, on master updates and masters, right? So which means if we make it false, then we don't see any warnings. You can just change and see that. Yeah, now you can go to director to look at the effect of those changes.
Now we got a different error message.
What is that?
When checking the operator on output
So
data
that
set
is
0 dropping component C2 because of prior component with the same name.
Yeah, this is no, once I close this. So now the warnings have been suppressed, right? So this other warnings are different. Those warnings are data related warnings. Data means what? Master data, update data. These warnings are data stage warnings where we have, if you have any problem with respect to what this data stage. So where for example, we have column like a C2, C3, right? Same column we are using for both in the sense two update links. That's what these warnings are all about. So these are not related to the data warnings. Now go to previous run where you can see in the top, right? You will have many warnings. They are related to what? Data warnings. Yeah, right? Yeah, can you see here? Continuously there are many warnings here. Yeah, these are the data related warnings. Yeah, which means for every wherever there is no match, you will have corresponding warning. Yeah. For every unmatched, for example, let's take millions of records. If you try to what you call display too many warning messages, what you call, it will take a lot of time to dump those messages onto the director. One, performance issue. Second, if you get some issue also, it's very difficult to trace. So that is why it's better to disable that unmatched for masters as well as for updates, so that you'll have clear only error messages and the warnings which are required to fix data stage jobs. For example, these are the what you call warnings with respect to columns. Yeah. So that's it. Now we can see the data which is transferred to a target, which is a normal output link, right? In this particular peak stage. Yeah. So this what is the data that got transferred. Yeah. And rejected records, anyway, we have seen it in sequential files, right? First update link correspond reject link, second update link correspond reject link. That's it. Yeah. So that's it about merge stage. But there is one more thing which we did not discuss. There are two options, drop and keep, which means what drop option will be used to transfer only matching records to a target. So I repeat, there are two options. Like in join, we have inner join, left outer, right outer, full outer, right? In lookup, we have drop, continue, reject, and what fail. Similarly, here also we have two options, keep and drop. So let me just open this. What is happening? Can you see here? This is what is the one option. When we can also see one more option here, which is going to be, if we expand this, there will be a drop option, which means what? Only matching records will be transferred to a target. But if we use keep option, which is equivalent to which option in join stage and which option in lookup stage, can you guess? Because now we have seen the output for a given source system data. What is the output we got? And what is the input? We all know, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's like an inner join and left outer joins we can do.
Yeah, this is actually, if you use a drop option, then drop option of merge stage is equivalent with inner join of join stage and drop option of lookup stage. Clear, right? And then if you use a keep option, then what?
Left
It's equal to
outer.
left outer join, and in lookup, continue option. Yes or no? Lookup
Yeah.
we have continue option. Yeah. Continue means what? Even the records are not going to get matched, still data would get transferred to a target. Now you will see the effect of this. Yeah. Only matching records will get transferred. Yeah. Now you can save, compile and run, Gopal.
So
That's all. Yeah.
when we picking the drop option, so in that case, like do we need reject links to capture those?
Yeah. So this drop keep option is for this guy, output link. Yeah. But if they are going to get rejected, still they'll be there